Hi there, this is Nikita and what I've got on the floor today, improvising here, is an Inventum KZ712D coffee maker, cafémachine, cafetière, of koffiezetapparaat as we call it here in the Netherlands. And this one was on special offer at a local supermarket, and I thought let's try it out. So let's open the box and take a look inside, because that's of course very interesting. Flimsy box though, very flimsy box. It was in a proper Inventum display, and it looks quite stylish even on the picture on the manual. So apparently we've got 2-year Inventum warranty. And what is this? Well, that's interesting. It unpacks itself in the box, that is. Hey. Yeah, it's cool. Well, that's quite nice, to be frank. That's not well wrapped, because of course that should be like this. That's okay though. Let's take a proper look. Cord is about 80 centimeters, so that's not much. So, Inventum plastic wrapping, sticker here, which we'll have to peel off very gently because it's plastic. Looking at this is, yeah, that's stainless steel. That's, wow. That's a proper coffee maker with a nice feel. Yeah, interesting. Full of plastic. And of course the coffee pot is glass and has an allowance for 12 cups, according to a certain measure of a coffee cup. Now, let's open it up. Ooh. Right. You get a small scoop and a basket, I think. Yeah, you do. Right, a permanent filter, which I won't use because, well, frankly, I use paper ones. And another basket, I think. Yeah, that's like dandy. So this is the filter like this. I'm guessing you should use it like that because it's a smaller size. Is that obligatory? Yeah, that's like this doesn't fit properly. So you do it like that, and it's fully integrated. That's nice, right? And the water reservoir is right here. So it's a bit annoying. That works nicely. So put the water in here. Here's the level, and that's stainless steel as well. So, wow. And here we go. It's making coffee, although instructions aren't quite clear in regards to the on and off. I'll figure it out though. Looks nice and spiffy. Yep. Taste test though, huh? That's the important thing. So I'm hearing the relay click in the thing, most likely to keep it warm, but it's done and it's still like working, and supposedly according to the manual after half an hour it will switch off. Unsure, but I'll find that out. First of all, let's try a bit of coffee. And of course the obligatory last drop is on the heating element. Oh well. It's steaming, it's hot. I'll try a sip of coffee. It's different than how I make it. I think it's stronger. Smells like that. I did put it on strong. You can do that with this machine, and it's nice. So, a proper cup of coffee. This is Nikita and that's saying, I hope you found this video interesting, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.